I'm going to show you guys some of the ways in which I style my scarves because I find them to be very nice and unique, and it just adds a little chicness to the look. So the first scarf I'd like to share with you guys today is this beautiful Hermes scarf, and the design, it's part of the Le Sacre de Sassons range. So if you look at the artwork very closely, it basically documents all 4 seasons. This is basically a horse and it documents basically spring. So next up is the wolf, and that's obviously very much documenting the winter seasons. After that one, we have the eagle, which documents autumn. And finally, we have the sun, which documents summer. This is the first style, so this is going to be a very traditional shape. I can't multitask, so I'll just crack on with this. In terms of styling, this is probably how this would look. I'm wearing my Burberry trench coat, and I've also got my Lyre bag and my Manolo Blahnik Mace Celebes, which is like the really small kitten heel. This is such a spring appropriate outfit. I can actually go out and also be warm in this, and if it was to start raining, I've got my trusted Burberry coat. The next look, I think, is pretty simple, but it still maintains the chicness. You're literally just going to take your scarf and put it on from back to front. I've got a bob, so some people prefer to have this just lay like that, but I am not losing an Hermes scarf for no reason. So what I'd probably do is just do a knot, and that's kind of like hidden by my hair, and I've got this like super chic look. I really like this. It's very simple. It only takes 2 seconds, and I think you've got a nice little cute little dainty necklace. You don't need to have something as ostentatious as my Vivienne Westwood, but if you've got a nice little cute thing, I think that this would be absolutely amazing to wear. This is super nice, it's super cute, it's super chic, and I think it adds so much personality to your outfit. So next up is an Hermes Twilly. I don't have any Hermes bags yet, but I've got it ready for when I do get to that stage. So this is basically like Space Cadets. So it's basically like intergalactic, I guess, robots. And I really love this design. I was like tempted to get in blue, but I think red was a great option. They do it in many colorways. And for this next look, it's going to be very much inspired by Audrey Hepburn when she did like Roman Holiday. So this is how we probably all tie our scarves. Very simple. Over here, loop over here, and a second loop. Like super cute, super functional. And I'm going to try it with my beige trench coat because I feel as if that's paying homage to the movie. So this is how this looks. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and it's totally like chic. I need to stop saying the word chic. I actually think I prefer, as you know, my Burberry trench. I don't know, I just think that it just suits me so much more better, and it goes so well with everything. But I think that this breaks up the outfit lovely. Other thing is, if I wanted to add some character to my handbag, I would basically wrap this up in the Twilly. What they usually say is take the middle of the ribbon and put it in the middle of the bag, and it just fold it this way. You can have the loops as tight or as loose as you want, but this, guys, these things are so pretty for a reason. This is why we're all obsessed with them. So you do this, and as you come towards the end, you do a little loop with your thumb like so. You feed that through like this, and you pull it through. I feel like I am so ready for like my Kelly or Birkin, and then you do the same as well the other side. I never understood why girls bought Twillies when they were buying their Birkins or Kellys, or even, the Picotin. And now I totally get it, and I don't even have either one of those. Like, this adds so much character to your bag and it just adds personality. So this is a way of also making your items a bit more exciting. And I love the fact that the Hermes just falls on this. But yeah, I think that this is such a cute look. And this is also like a really nice way of, I guess, preserving the handles of your handbags if you're that way inclined. One of my favorite accessories when working with scarves are these scarf rings, or alternatively, you can actually use your own rings. So I've got a gold one and a silver one that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to show you guys how I incorporate them into my next look. Next up is this absolutely amazing scarf from Burberry. I wanted something that was very, very spring-like, and I thought that the colors and the dandelions definitely do add a slight little freshness. So all you do is you just do this. Position the scarf on your shoulders. Take your scarf ring. And just thread it through. So here it is. This is super chic, super simple, super easy. Next up is a look that is very, very traditional. So you obviously put your scarf on like so. And you just, oh, this is so cute. You can basically tie it behind, or you can use your scarf ring. In this instance, it's just easier to tie a little knot behind. This is such a traditional look for all the baddies who actually enjoy watching classical films. And let me grab my sunglasses. These are my new sunglasses and I love just how cute they are. So I think I might get prescription lenses put in. So you can see that they've got a bit of logo here, but they're very, very simple. I've decided that my latest obsession are these smaller sunglasses. So this is how that looks like. Do you guys think this is glamorous or not? I do feel like this would be perfect if you're obviously somewhere windy and you want to protect the hairstyle that you're wearing, or you just want to protect yourself from the elements. But you guys can see why I like these sunglasses. They look so, so good on their own. The final look is going to be very, very, very Vogue, but this is very much inspired by kind of music. So we start off with a baseball cap. Next up is my polyester scarf. So I've had this for the best part of 10 years. To be honest with you, it's very, very cute. It was from H&M and yeah, it's lasted a very, very long time. Rather than wearing a nice scarf to go to raving, get something from H&M. This is all 90 by 90, like 90 by 90 scarf is your friend. What the cool kids are doing is they're basically just putting the scarf on, tying it up. You guys are going to see a lot more of this look if you do go clubbing, that is. Which I think is very, very cool. So I also think that this is going to be like such a slay look for when you're in Ibiza. So you're basically protecting the side of your face, you're also protecting your head, and you're protecting your eyes. And I think that this is such a look. It's not for every day, but I feel as if this is the most contemporary way to wear a scarf. It's what all the cool kids are doing. See how much you can do with all these variations. You don't even need an expensive scarf. Just go to your local charity shop and grab something. So let me know which of the looks I shared with you today was your favorite. Which style would you like me guys to try next time? And which scarf was your favorite? I can guarantee you'll find so many amazing silk scarves which are vintage. And if you want to start a collection, start a reasonable collection. Like, I think I'm at the very, very early stages of what's about to be a fully blown Hermes kind of obsession. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and comment down below just so YouTube know that I exist. I hope you enjoyed this very much and see you soon. Take care.